Definition of asthma. Asthma is a condition in which the airway becomes narrow and swell and produce extra mucus and characterized by airway hyperresponsiveness, hyperventilation, and mucosal edema. So, asthma is characterized by hyperresponsiveness, hyperventilation, and mucosal edema. Etiology of asthma. Airborne allergens such as pollen and dust, respiratory infections, physical activity, cold air pollutants, certain medications, strong emotions and stress, menstrual cycle. So these are some etiology of asthma. Risk factors of asthma. History of asthma: overweight, smoker, exposure to ex- exhaust fumes, history of allergic conditions and allergic rhinitis, second-hand smoking during pregnancy, exposure to occupational hazards. So these are some risk factors of asthma. Signs and symptoms of asthma: shortness of breath, chest tightness, coughing, wheezing, whistling when exhaling, trouble sleeping. Diagnostic evaluation of asthma: spirometry. Okay, we can done spirometry, methylcholine challenge, peak flow, sputum eosinophils, imaging test, allergic testing. In spirometry, this test estimates how much air can exhaled after a deep breath. So it is a test which can identify air exhaled after a deep breathing. Methylcholine challenge. Methylcholine triggers the asthma when inhaled and will cause mild constrictions of airways. If client reacts to the methylcholine, then he is likely to have asthma. In peak flow meter is a simple device that measures how hard patients can breathe out. Sputum eosinophils. This test looks for certain white blood cells in the mixture of saliva and mucus discharge during coughing. So it is a test that see white blood cells in the mixture of saliva and mucus discharge during coughing. Imaging test. It identifies any structural abnormalities that can cause breathing problem. Allergic testing. This can be performed by skin test or blood test. So we have discussed diagnostic evaluation of asthma. Now we have moved towards management of asthma. Long-term asthma control medications. Types of long-term control medications include inhaled corticosteroids, leukotriene modifiers such as montelukast, long-acting beta agonist, theophylline. Quick relief medications are used as needed for rapid short-term symptoms relief during an asthma attack. Short-acting breathing agonists such as albuterol, ipratropium, it acts quickly to immediately relax the airway. Oral and IV corticosteroids such as prednisolone can also be given to the asthma patients. Allergic medications may help if asthma is triggered or worsened by allergies. These include immunotherapy. Immunotherapy reduces immune system reaction to specific allergens. Omalizumab. This medication is given as an injection every 2 to 4 weeks. It acts by altering the immune system. So omalizumab acts by altering the immune system. Lifestyle management of asthma, reducing the amount of airborne pollen from trees, grasses, and weeds, removing carpeting and installing hardwood flooring, dehumidifying the room, prevent spores, clean homes at least once a week, cover nose and mouth of the patient.